Movies and books boast of strange occurrences and fantastical phenomena, but the real world might not be that far behind. Some of the mind-boggling things that happen around the world may seem unbelievable, but their existence is very much real. Be ready to have your mind blown by 6 such occurrences. Take a look. A fire that never stops burning might sound incredible, but it exists. The Darwaza gas crater in Turkmenistan is more popularly known as the Gates of Hell. The fire emerging from it can be seen from kilometers away. In 1971, a drilling rig accidentally dug into a natural gas field and poisonous fumes started leaking from the hole. The place was set on fire to avoid any threat to the environment. It was assumed that the fire would die out within weeks, but till today, nearly 5 decades later, the fire is still burning fiercely. Talk about miscalculations. Lightning isn't unusual during a thunderstorm. But what would you think if lightning accompanies a volcanic eruption? A good visual for a fantasy film, right? But all this is all too real. Who would have thought? This particular phenomenon occurs when particles from volcanic ash collide or fragment during an eruption. The friction creates static electricity which causes the volcanic lightning. This information is truly enlightening. Get it? Lightning. If you've ever dreamed of sparkling seas, this phenomenon might feel like a dream come true. Some water bodies and their surrounding shores are naturally illuminated because of the presence of bacteria called dinoflagellates in the water. This species lights up when it is disturbed. Their beautiful glittery blue color is quite mesmerizing actually and makes beaches and waves look like they're glowing in the dark. This phenomenon occurs in the Maldives, Cambodia, Brazil and a few other places. How cool! If you see pillars of light suspended mid-air with no visible source, you might be stunned. Though it sounds imaginary, it is a real occurrence. This phenomenon occurs in places that have really cold weather. Light is reflected from tiny ice crystals that might be in the atmosphere and forms these pillars. They can be formed by the sun, the moon, or any other human-made light source, like even a street light. Some even say that it looks like a projection from a distant alien ship. To witness this would definitely be an experience out of the world. Get it? Out of the world? Erupting volcanoes are as terrifying as they are fascinating to look at. Red hot molten lava is the first visual that comes to mind. But what if I told you that there is a volcano that erupts blue lava? It's named Kawah Jain and is located in Indonesia. The blue lava goes unnoticed in the day but is quite visible in the night. This happens because the sulfur that is present in the atmosphere burns with blue flames when ignited by the lava. It's hard to believe, but it's as true as the sky is blue. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is a salt desert that is also known as heaven on earth. The desert was formed as a result of lakes evaporating many years ago. But why is it called heaven on earth? When nearby lakes flood the plain with small amounts of water, the desert transforms into a natural mirror. It is a stunning phenomenon as it becomes a 10,000 km square reflection of the sky. The place is now a popular tourist attraction. After all, who doesn't want to walk on the sky? Feel free to like, share and comment on the videos. Subscribe for more such amazing content so we can go up to 100 subscribers. You can also follow me on Instagram at @inboundbookworm_37. Links in the description. Plus, you can also join my Discord server, CWCN. The link to join that is also in the description. You can join those if you want. So until then, I'll meet you in the next video.